sanded down our neck. So you can see how we got this sanded down so it will fit inside here where we want it to fit. Okay, we also now since we put this neck piece on, we have to adjust this back and take a piece off down here so the back of the head's going to fit. So we'll cut this off, then that will slide in there. I'm going to use this shaping tool to further round this down and smooth it down. Then we'll use our sanders here to also cut it down some. See how that shapes it down more, gets it more rounded down. So we're going to continue all the way around this, get it shaped down, and then we'll be ready to put our neck or our stick in. And you see why we got our center mark, because we lost our circle there, which is okay. As long as we keep our center mark, we know where to drill our hole for our stick. So we're going to keep working on this, and then we'll come back with the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.